Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Monday, July 19th, 1999, 8 am. No one is safe from a fit of anger that can happen to you and also be directed against you. In the face of this kind of situation, one must forgive quickly. This way of behaving can be uncontrollable at the time. This attitude must be corrected quickly and thus be understood in the others. Restrained anger, hatred, which some people nurture inside against their fellow men, is destructive and should be avoided at all costs. It is necessary to get rid of this weed, which makes your life a misery. You should not fuel any resentment towards beings who had wounded you knowingly or not. Don't put this kind of barrier to your evolution. Human turpitude causes much turmoil. Being able to forgive is the best solution for oneself and the other. What will you gain by letting this poison undermine you physically and morally? Certain situations are inextricable. You should know how to turn a page and leave behind you your resentments. You will feel a new being liberated and stronger. Look in front of you, released from your rancor. A life full of light can open up to you, releasing you from all these shady areas that curb your progression. Be free inside. Be happy to be so. Nothing checks your step forward. Forgive those who attack you. Advance with your head held high, without being affected in depth by the ugliness of life. Babuji. Monday, July 19th, 1999, 10 am. Don't get worried for your son in heart. This path is all set. He is under high protections. He came on the earth to fulfill a mission and will make his way in spite of the obstacles, which will keep standing on his road. There will be two of them to face up to things, which is a strong point in life. You know something of it since you have been supported in very hard moments of your existence. Two soulmates never meet again just by chance. It is a long-term planning with a precise purpose. Mission or not, each incarnation has its raison d'etre with its difficulties of all sorts. Life is the best school to make your progress, provided that you accept with gratitude to follow such a path. Wise people accept. The least wise balk. They slow down their step forward. A soul needs a lot of time and events to half open its heart to the extent of being exposed completely to the beneficial rays of love. Be happy with your destiny. Give thanks for having been chosen to go through this experience. You are judged worthy of it. In desperate moments, never stop thanking God and your masters. All that happens to you, good or bad, has its raison d'etre. They follow you and carry you during the most difficult moments without your realizing it, whereas you believe you are abundant. Be blessed now and forever. Babuji.